maka tanda landing position.
Super Green 695, contact ground on 118.9er. Juanda Tower, Indonesia Tree, 419er miles west inbound, ILS runway 10 approach. Indonesia Tree 41, Juanda Tower. Altimeter 29er, decimal 77, wind 039er at 6. Cleared ILS runway 10 approach. 118.9er, Super Green 695. Goodbye. Cleared ILS runway 10 approach, Indonesia Tree 41. Ryanair 738, number tree for landing. Follow the Airbus A320 on final. Wind 039er at 6. Cleared to land runway 10. Juanda Tower, wings a body 183.812 miles west, inbound ILS runway 10 approach. Wings a body 1844, go around. Indonesia Tree 64, exit runway when able. Wings a body 1838, Juanda Tower. Altimeter 29er, decimal 77, wind 039er at 6. Cleared ILS runway 10 approach. Super Green 431, go around. Indonesia Tree 41, number 2 for landing. Follow the aircraft on final. Wind 039er at 6. Clear to land runway 10. Indonesia Tree 64, contact ground on 118.9er. Super Green 431, contact Surabaya, approach on 124.5. Good day. Clear to land runway 10, number 2, Indonesia Tree 41.
500.
Going to 118.9er, Indonesia Tree 64. Juanda Tower, Lion and Tur, 79er 19er miles west, inbound ILS runway 10 approach.
300.
Lion and Tur, 79er 1, Juanda Tower. Altimeter 29er, decimal 77, wind 039er at 6. Cleared ILS runway 10 approach.
100.
Wings a body 1844,
50,
contact
40,
Surabaya, approach
30,
on 124.5.
10.
Good day. Cleared ILS runway 10 approach, Lion and Tur 79er 1. Going to 124.5, wings a body 1844. Cleared ILS runway 10 approach, wings a body 1838. Super Green 431. Goodbye. Indonesia Tree 41, go around. Ryanair 738, turn next taxiway. Lion and Tur 7901, follow the aircraft on the runway. Wind 039er at 6. Clear to land runway 10. Going around Indonesia Tree 41. Juanda Tower, Lion and Tur 169er at runway 10, ready for departure IFR to Kuala Lumpur. Indonesia Tree 41, contact Surabaya, approach on 123.2. Good day. Ryanair 738, contact ground on 118.9er. Lion and Tur 169er, altimeter 29er, decimal 77, wind 039er at 6. Cleared for takeoff runway 10. Wings a body 1838, follow the aircraft on final.